Welcome to my channel! Today I'm gonna demonstrate to you how to wrap the Pancit Molo filling. We have this Wonton wrapper. It's already been defrosted. It should be soft. And then to start with, we already mixed this filling before. You can refer to my other recipe. And then, how to make, you have to put it at the edge of the corner of the square, about 1 teaspoon of the filling that we have already mixed. And then, you roll the edges to the center, the filling to the center, and roll one more time. And then you lift it and press on the edge, and then do the head of the nuns hot, and then you put water, and like this. This is the Pancit Molo head or filling. Let me do it one more time. Get the square, put like 1 teaspoon of the mixture of the pork or whatever filling you had, and then put it on the edge, and then go roll one and roll another one twice, lift and press on the sides, and put water here and do it like this. That's your Pancit Molo. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Get Go Live!